Hello, my name is Darwin Camilo Oviedo Rosero, and I am first semester student at UNAD. I chose the topic of Doctor Physical Trainer, and I like to share some hints on how to lead a healthy lifestyle and prevent disease rules. Its essence to maintain a balanced diet rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular exercise also crucial, aiming for at least 30 minutes of physical activity per day. Additionally, height essential around 7-8 hours per night. It's vital for physical and mental well-being. Staying hydrated by drinking plentiful water throughout the day is also important. Lastly, don't forget to manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. By following these things, you can significantly reduce the risks and chronic disease and improve your overall quality of life.